Good evening, welcome to my review of the ITIL version 4 course review. This will be lecture 3 called Process Relationships. Now, before I do this, I'd like to let you know this is for education, information, and review purposes. Okay? My goal is to educate people about the ITIL version 4 exam. Okay, with that said, I'd like to give you my notes on this and let you know about the exam. So this will be lecture 3, process relationships. Let's start off with process relationships for service strategy. Basically what that is, you have IT management process, which is relationship interfaces. Among those you have the strategy management for IT services, you have financial management for IT services, you have demand management, business relationship management, and service portfolio. So consider those for a moment. Alright. Next we have process relationship for service decisions. That is, the effectiveness of each process depends on a great deal on the quality of the information exchanged between each processes. That is, design coordination, service catalog management, service level management, availability management, capacity management, IT service continuity management, information security management, and supplier management. So that is the process relationship for service decisions. Alright, for the next area, we have the process relationship for service transition. By definition, that's the effectiveness depends on the timeline of the information exchanged between other processes. Now, there's 7 basic things to consider. Number 1 is that transition planning and support. Number 2 is the change management. Number 3 is the service asset and configuration management. Number 4 is the release deployment management. 5 is service validation and testing. That is before deployment. Number 6 is the change evaluation. Number 7 is the knowledge management. That is the service knowledge management system. You might see it as SKMS. That's what SKMS stands for, which is Service Knowledge Management System. Keep in mind we've got 2 services to consider: the service management fundamentals and the service lifecycle processes. Now, in terms of processes, we have the process relationship for service operation. Number 1, we have the event management, that is supporting processes, service level management, continued service improvement, otherwise known in the acronym as CSI. Also, we have incident management. That's pretty self-explanatory. For request fulfillment, it's in relation to service requests. Problem management. And then we have access management. That seems to be somehow spelled wrong. As in the services, resources, and information security. And the 6th one we have is called change evaluation. The last part of this, as I'm telling you just the notes, is this process evaluation. As part of the process evaluation, the process relationship and continued service improvements. It is what's called the 7 steps improvement process. This is the general approaches to successfully implementing continuous service improvements. So we have the service review, which is what is the vision, process evaluation, where are we now, definition of continuous service improvements initiatives, which is where do we want to be, and how do we get there. And we have monitoring should be continued with the continued service improvements initiative. That is essentially how do we keep the momentum going. Now, when you're studying this chapter, when you're studying this section of the chapter, keep these in mind. What I want you to do is, if there's any part of it you don't understand, I want you to get a hold of the ITIL version 4. Just look at what they are, functions. Now, I did explain what they are. Just this one is this refers to this one. Now, a lot of this stuff is quite self-explanatory if you think about it, but for people who haven't studied it at all, maybe something fresh, something you need to think about. So that's okay. Actually, I think what I want to do is do like this. I want to have some space in between. Okay. Should have one space in between. One space in between. One space in between. Okay, I'm going to be posting this to Instagram. It will be basically two posts. I'll have the link to where I've uploaded the video to, which is on YouTube, and this is a short video. Giving you the notes, giving you the explanation. If there's anything you don't understand, go through the book. Look at a case example explanation. Basically, I'm just giving you the overview to focus on understanding. You're just getting a general knowledge and then also the understanding. Alright, so tomorrow I plan on releasing the next area of the chapter or section of the chapter. Okay, stay tuned. What I'd like to do now is to thank you for watching this video. I understand it's a short video, but I'm just basically putting out what needs to be done for each video. So what I'd like you to do is first click like on the video. That way I'll be push the algorithm, and that way more people will be able to watch it and benefit from the knowledge and information in this video. If you haven't already, please click subscribe. That will be notified, or actually you'll have access to all of my videos on this channel. And I do encourage you to access also the Rumble channel as well. Also, if you haven't already, please click the bell button and you'll be notified of all my future videos. I would like to again thank you for watching the video. I wish that you have a great day no matter where you are in the world. Take care, and hopefully you'll see my next video tomorrow.